Hey everybody, Rich Downey here at Far From Dead Motorsports. Today we are in my 2020 F450 Super Duty. She's got a 6.7 power stroke, and we most certainly love working on diesels. Myself, all three of my techs, my tuner, we all own diesels. We love them, we work on them, we upgrade their performance, their operations, we get better fuel mileage after we tune them. And we also have a lot of bulletproofing. We do the heat sink for the Cummins, of course the DCR conversion for the power strokes. There's a lot of stuff that we do. We do the CCV reroute on the power strokes. There's a lot of stuff that these diesels, we love them, but from the factory, like everything else these days, they got issues. So today, while we're in my truck, I'm going to show you folks how I tune with the EZLynk app, and I use an Auto Agent 3 that plugs into my OBD2 dongle. So let's start out by doing a trans tune on my truck right now. Here's the screen, pretty self-evident. I'm going to click on my Power Stroke TCM tunes. Here's my tune. It's already installed, but let's do a reinstall. So we'll go through this. I'm going to go with proceed. Transferring the ECU profile. It asked me to turn it on off. Let's put the truck in the off position. There we go. I hit confirm. Now it wants it in the on position. Oh, I screwed that up. I had the brakes on. There you go. Now she's in the on position. I hit continue, and here we go. You're going to start hearing all kinds of beeping and buzzing. It's going to go through all the checks in the computer that have to do with the transmission. These transmission tunes are great for Dodge, which is the Cummins, the Ford Power Strokes, the GMC Duramax, the Chevy Duramax. Right now, we're able to tune everything up into a 2026. So if you buy a brand new truck, we can tune it, make it more efficient, especially for towing. I find that my trans tune with my towing is phenomenal. And I don't drive this thing around on an engine tune that's real hot. I like a simple tow tune, like my, whatever, stage 1, level 1, stage 2, level 2 tune. It's a wonderful tune. You know, we're not making any kind of crazy power where it's a dangerous ride or you're spinning tires or anything like that. And not for nothing, my fuel mileage is, I think I'm averaging over 17 miles to the gallon now. And I'm in a 10,000 pound F450 dually. You know, with all kinds of hand controls because I'm in a wheelchair. I got a hydraulic lift to get me in and out of the truck. I got a hoist in the bed to get my wheelchair in and out of the bed. And as we're talking, we're already past 70%. This is real quick. And this is the trans tune, which usually takes a little longer. This will button up real fast. It keeps you abreast of the situation. Once we log out of this trans tune, I'll also show you the tiles. We can data log with the Auto Agent. So when you come to us, we buy you your own dongle, tune your truck to your dongle. So this way you have always access to your computer. You could data log. If you have any codes, you could check your codes through this Auto Agent. You could check all your gauges, all your trans temps, your EGR, everything. Okay, now it's saying installation complete. Let's switch to off. It's going to go to the off position. Hit continue. Now we're going to go to the on position. See, it says go to on. We're going to hit continue. Let's go. There we go. Now, with the trans tune, every time you reinstall a trans tune for the next, I guess, 10 miles, what I'm going to do is try to get at least 5 launches. And when I say launch, not like I'm in my drag car or my F-150. When I say launch, I'm saying 0 to 55 miles an hour. Nice, light, steady throttle. Get through all the gears and then come slowly back down. Go through the gears again, nice and easy. Come back down. So basically, driving down Route 9 in the Manahawkin, Little Egg, Tuckerton area, with all the BS traffic and whatnot, and doing the speed limit, maybe coming up to 50 and a 45, your trans tune is done. Going from my shop to like the LBI area. So basically, a very short drive, obeying the traffic laws, and you'll have your trans all set up. Now, where the power is, see down there, the Stealth Tunes, Shift on the Fly, SOTF. So we're going to go into that. And I have numerous tunes all ready to go. Right now, I have a level 2 tune in. I have a level 3 tune, which is around a 100 horsepower tune. And then I have a level 5 tune, which is 160. I believe my truck is around 450 horse, 440 horse base. So basically the level 6, the level 5 tune, we're up around 600 horse. Well over 1,300 foot-pounds of torque. I don't drive around with that tune. There's really no need. At a level 2 tune, I'm ripping. This thing's ripping. If I really get on her, I'm lighting up the tires. I'm lighting up. I got 37s. I'm rolling around on 22-inch wheels with 37-inch tires. And it's a dually, and I light up all 4 wheels. We rip. Towing, phenomenal. I'm not searching for gears like in the 10R140s like they do. I program my tire size into my computer. It's a phenomenal unit. Anyone out there that's looking to upgrade their vehicle, the EZLynk is so easy. As far as shift on the fly, I would never go to a dial again, especially in these new trucks. That's just added wiring, added bullshit. It's a pain in the ass, and it's not cheap. I find that the EZLynk is much more cost effective than anything that we have going on as far as the shift on the fly with the dials. It's a proven system. And good news is EZLynk just won their court case with the feds. So they're not being subpoenaed for any bullshit. They're not going to have to face the DOJ. So shoot us a call. 609-205-0713. That's my shop cell. Or you can email me, ffdmotorsports@gmail.com, and check out our website, ffdmotorsports.com. We now have Shopify. All our merch is online. A lot of our performance auto parts are now going to be sold online. And we're opening up our hobby store soon. So all your RC vehicles, we're going to have an indoor RC track, an indoor rock crawling track for RC, coffee, pastries. It's going to be a cool experience. 4,000 square feet of performance parts, RC parts, and indoor racing, seating, coffee, refreshments, pastries. I'm going to get pastries down from New York City and Italian cookies from New York City. So come on by the shop. Give me a call. Shoot me an email. Shoot me a text. Let's upgrade your vehicle. Let's get you going. Not just your race car, not just your show car, but let's get that tow truck and tow pig running right. God bless. Thank you all for watching. Talk to you soon.